In this video, I'm going to show you how to link FBK Markets to MT4. Now, the first thing you have to do here inside your dashboard, you want to go to Trading Accounts tab and you want to create an account. So we can create either one over here. Just make sure you do select MT4 as the platform to actually get the MetaTrader 4 account, and then click Create an Account whenever you select all these things you want over here according to your own preferences, and then your MT4 account is going to be created. Once you do this, you'll receive your login credentials onto your email. So for me, I just received it over here and I'm going to use it to show you how to actually link this and connect it. And then you want to go to the Platforms tab up top and download MetaTrader 4, the desktop version, okay? Whenever you do this, you want to run up the installer, but sometimes what I figured is when I tried to install it over here, it actually downloaded MT5 for some reason. So if that happens to you as well, go to their official website, fbkmarkets.com, scroll down until you see download the MT4 app, and then just download the desktop terminal over here. So this one, open that up. And whenever you do this here, you'll be able to, as you can see here on my screen, install the FBK Markets version of MT4. Press Next, and then just wait for a few seconds for this to actually install. And then there's going to be a Finish button down at the bottom right, which you want to click whenever it appears. Like in 10 seconds, that should be done. And then just click on that and open up your MT4. There we go, press Finish. And what this will do here, it's going to open up our MT4 in just a second. So as you can see, it's loading. There we go. Okay, so it's going to start scanning a few things. When that's done, press on the X button, and you now have this terminal to actually log in. Now, the login, as I said, is going to be on your email. You'll receive your account ID, which is your login, and then the password as well, which is the master password. Just paste that in here, and then you want to select the server as well. For me, it's the live one because I created a live account, and then click on login over here. And whenever you do it, just like that, as you can see, I've basically connected my account over here in FBK Markets to my MT4 platform. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.